Today we are talking about an emergency plumbing repair kit for your home or your business. So some key things to remember. First off, you want to know where your building water main shutoff valve is, whether it's outside, inside, in your basement, in your garage, etc. And assemble an emergency repair plumbing kit now. Don't wait until you have an emergency and then you're scrambling around trying to get your tools and supplies together. That's not good. So do it ahead of time. Also, keep clear access to all your toilet, sink, and appliance shutoff valves. Make sure you know where those are at all times. And have the phone number of a plumber on hand. You can put it on a post-it note, on your refrigerator, next to your computer, on your desk. Save it on your smartphone. That way you're not scrambling in a panic if you have a burst pipe or some emergency trying to find a plumber's number. Do some research ahead of time before an emergency happens. So what exactly should be in an emergency plumbing repair kit? Just some very basic, simple tools and simple, basic, inexpensive supplies. So from left to right, the first row is a garden hose thread cap, and you see there's a rubber washer inside there. So say you're having trouble getting your garden hose spigot outside to shut off, you can put one of these caps on it, or if it's dripping constantly and needs to be replaced or repaired, and the home center is closed for the night, you can screw one of these onto your hose bib, and that'll get you through the night so it won't waste a bunch of water. After that, you have a NPT, or National Pipe Thread cap, then a NPT pipe plug, and those are pipe thread now. Then after that, you have a push to connect ball valve. So say you did have a copper pipe or a PEX pipe that got damaged or burst or cracked, you can cut out that bad section, and even with the water still on, push this ball valve onto the end of the pipe where you cut it off, and then you can close the valve, and that'll get you through the night until the following morning when you or a licensed plumber can make a proper repair. And lastly, a shark bite push to connect cap. Again, these work great for PEX pipe and copper pipe. And sort of the common sizes that you want to have in your kit are 1/2 inch and 3/4. You really don't want to be messing around with gas pipe. This emergency repair kit is mainly for water pipes. So if you have a water pipe that bursts, you drop something on it, somebody bumps into it with their car, the kids hit it with their bike or one of their toys, and a pipe cracks or bursts, etc. If you have a gas leak, you want to get everybody out of the house, call 911. If you can safely, shut the gas off. You should know where your gas shutoff valve is. Generally, it's on the outside of the building by your gas meter. So know that ahead of time. But this emergency kit is mainly for emergency water repairs. And so say, again, it's the middle of the night, early in the morning, and Lowe's or Home Depot is not open yet, or you live way out in a rural area where you can't get there soon enough. Having these tools and caps and plugs and valves on hand could really be a lifesaver for you. And again, on the bottom, a rigid pipe cutter to cut the 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch copper pipe. A couple pipe wrenches or an adjustable wrench to have in your kit or your toolbox is helpful as well. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.